Hello, good evening guys. Meron akong i-explain sa inyo tungkol sa compressor, kung paano malaman kung sira yung compressor. Either yung compressor, capacitor, or overload. Explain ko sa inyo guys, step by step. So, unahin natin yung overload guys. Kung paano i-testing yung overload. Ito po yung overload guys. Dito, set nyo dito sa continuity checking guys. Kung meron siyang sound, it means okay yung overload po. Tingnan natin. So, okay yung overload guys. So, after guys, check nyo yung compressor. Either grounded or hindi siya grounded. So, paano i-test guys kung grounded or hindi? Meron siyang terminal dito guys. Ito, common, starting, at saka running. So, ilagay nyo dito yung isang test probe guys. At saka, ilagay nyo dito sa body ng compressor. So, test natin guys kung grounded ba or hindi. Kung hindi guys, hindi siya grounded. At saka, dito guys sa starting terminal. O hindi siya grounded guys. Wala siyang sound for continuity or reading. Lagay natin sa running guys. Ito wala siyang continuity or reading guys. Wala siyang sound. So, yung compressor guys, hindi po to grounded. So, okay na guys kung nakuha nyo po kung paano i-test kung grounded o hindi. Next guys, check nyo yung terminal ng compressor guys. Meron siyang continuity or reading sa common to starting, common to running, and starting to running. So, step by step natin guys. So, unahin natin yung common to starting. Meron siyang reading 9.0. Common to running. Meron siyang reading 2.5. And then, starting to running. Meron siyang reading 11.3. Okay guys. This compressor guys, ang problema po ito, mechanical problem sa loob guys. Pinalitan namin yung bagong capacitor guys ito. Nag-high ampere pa rin guys. So it means, pag bago yung capacitor, overload. So ang problema po, mechanical, sa loob po yung problema. Ito guys, sa mic table to. Old compressor. Okay guys, pag high ampere guys. So pag high ampere yung compressor, ito yung compressor guys, yung normal amperahe po niya 2.3, 2.5, 2.7. Pag aabot siya ng ano guys, 20 plus, for example 20 ampere, 25 ampere, 27 ampere, so it means high ampere po. So first ninyo papalitan yung compressor, capacitor pag high ampere. Pag napalitan yung capacitor guys, pag high ampere pa rin, so it means mechanical problem sa compressor yung problema guys sa loob. Okay guys, naintindihan tayo. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.